SIMS Park, first known as Enchantment Park when it was established in the early 1900s, is a thriving community park in the downtown area. The Riverwalk, the outdoor bandshell, and the concert stage, one of the most popular attractions has been a super playground. The park and the area around it, including Orange Lake and the Hacienda Hotel building, are steeped in history, being a thriving destination for movie stars, sports personalities, and politicians since the time Port Richey was established in 1911. The playground as a part of the complete multi-million-dollar renovation of the park. The playground area continues to be a centerpiece, now including a separate area for toddlers, a splash pad, and an outdoor fitness area. Orange Lake is believed to be a natural sinkhole. The lake was originally called Blue Sink. Presumably because the name Blue Sink was applied to numerous deep sinkholes in Florida, the name of the lake was changed. The name Orange Lake is found in a September 30, 1914 Tampa Morning Tribune article. George R. Sims, who was one of the Port Richey's early promoters and who donated SIMS Park, then Enchantment Park, to the city, died in 1954.
Huh? What was that?
He was fluffy. I told him to serve it.
Nice skinny.
Roads were rerouted so that Orange Lake, the West Pasco Historical Society Museum, and the Peace Hall Historic Church building would be an integral part of the park area. Two floating docks, one with the handicapped accessible kayak launch, are available for public use along the river. I visit this park frequently. It's off US 19 Coastal Highway. The town itself is serene and enjoys beautiful artwork. Historical, dazzling murals, and the architectural designs are intriguing and photogenic. My visits have seen no need of urgency in this laid-back town. I hope it remains this way. No worries. By the way, look for missing railroad tracks at the Triumph Crossing. LOL.